right. And we better watch out for that storm, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. It's going to be big time this weekend, and we've got some problems out there already. Check out the northern mountains. This is where you got a winter storm watch in effect from tomorrow evening through Sunday up into the San Juans and down in the Sangre de Cristos and the Jemez. Significant snow possible. We're going to run the numbers for you in just a few moments. First off, though, that storm, it is spinning off to our west. It's dragging in some fairly mild air ahead of it and some clouds as well, so we're going to be blanketed with clouds across the state. Here's your Friday storm report. The status, of course, it is over California. The timing on the storm, bringing it in Saturday afternoon through Monday, and what you can expect, obviously the cold air, valley snow possible, and mountain snow. Those are going to be the big concerns, and of course, the travel conditions will be treacherous at best. Buzz potential on this 30% because the cold air that's going to be dragging through, or at least sliding through the state, is going to be a little bit tricky on the timing on that. So here's the overall trend of what we're expecting over the next couple of days as this winter storm rolls in. Ahead of the storm, we're dragging in that subtropical moisture from the southwest. So it's more or less going to be all about the rain showers tomorrow across the west and back off towards the north with the higher elevated snow showers. Then early Sunday, we start to drag in that cold air from the north, and that's going to interact with that subtropical moisture. We'll drop the snow levels across a good chunk of the east and even seeing some significant snows up in the Sacramentos. Meanwhile, down towards the south, we could deal with some pretty good rains out there as well. Precipitation forecast. Overnight tomorrow night, rather, we start to see some showers rolling into the Rio Grande Valley. We'll probably see some snow in Albuquerque, but probably around the foothills. Not a whole lot in the way of accumulation, but maybe the key for us is really going to be Sunday night into Monday when we have a little bit more cold air in place. So obviously we start to see that snow line drop a little bit further south. So here's what you can expect over the course of the next couple of days. 1 to 3 inches in Durango, 6 to 12 Silverton and Wolf Creek, 1 to 2 Chama. Tierra Maria could see the same there as well. Up towards the Sangre de Cristos, 48 inches here, not out of the question. Of course, those areas in that watch. Dusting to 2 inches in the Albuquerque area. Again, around the foothills would be an area to watch. 3 to 8 inches around Tucumcari, back towards Las Vegas, and down towards the south. This thing is going to produce for the Sacramentos, and goodness knows they are going to be loving it. About a foot of snow potentially in some areas of the Sacramentos, and an icy mix in the Roswell area. Right now, though, things are crystal clear across Albuquerque. We're sitting at 43 degrees. And already chilly up to the north 20s with some 40s down towards the south. So taking you region by region, of course, we got a few 60s still hanging on around Phoenix, but a little bit closer to home now. It's all going to be about that cold air tonight. So, of course, increasing clouds across the northwest and a good chance for some showers tomorrow afternoon in the Four Corners. For the northeast, keep in mind we will be dealing with some snow, especially in the higher elevated areas, and then getting into the mix, the east slopes will get hit pretty hard into Sunday and Monday. Down south, how about that? 70s tomorrow afternoon. We're not expecting that cold air until Sunday, so we'll sneak out another good day tomorrow. For these mountains, overnight lows in the 20s. Notice those clouds are on the increase. You can see those up in the sky there. Tomorrow's highs in the 50s, so it's going to be more or less filtered sunshine, and may not see a whole lot of that sun tomorrow. Still, though, we'll climb in the mid-50s and 60s across the Rio Grande Valley. So here's your 7-day forecast, which does include that weekend storm, and this is on the tail end of the Thanksgiving holiday. Not good. Please be careful out there and check those road conditions. Of course, stay with us. We'll have those for you.
Sounds like it's pretty widespread. A lot of people are
everybody's going to see a little bit of something.
All right. Thank you, Travis. And sports is next.